In the PayPack payment intent and PayPack charge logs, we can see that this NetSuite invoice is now fully processed and paid in full. On the NetSuite payment, edit and unapply from the original invoice, leaving it open and unpaid in NetSuite so you can process it again later. Once the NetSuite payment updates, head over to the PayPack subtab to refund the Stripe payment directly. Upon a successful refund, PayPack automatically creates a NetSuite customer refund record and applies it directly to the customer payment. Finally, refreshing the NetSuite invoice lets you charge it again.